Hey everybody, Brad Winters with Portable Alert. This is our outbuilding alarm system. You can see it consists of a keypad, a controller, a motion sensor, strobe light, and a horn. Now, we'll build this, do the setup, programming, and send it to your front door, and you simply just have to install it yourself. This will protect your outbuildings from theft and intruders. And as soon as that motion sensor picks up motion, if you do not disarm the system within 5 seconds, it will go into alarm. Now this system is armed and ready to go, and I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that now. So you'll see that the motion sensor will turn red. It's picked up motion, and it'll fire in 5 seconds. That is extremely loud, and it will get anybody out of your buildings that shouldn't be there. So again, we can send this right to your front door. Thanks for watching.